Okay guys, I'm gonna try to solve Rubik's Cube on the trampoline. So, see if this is a quick hand scramble. I promise it's not memorized or anything. And I'm flicking it so it couldn't be in the orientation I wanted anyway. Okay, so let's inspect. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. So guys, it probably wasn't a big deal, but I did go out of frame, so I'm gonna do another solve. And we're done. I don't know how fast that was, but you can, but you know. So that was a fun challenge. So guys, I'm gonna try to solve this 3x3 on this trampoline while doing flips. So I'm gonna scramble this, and this is not a prepared scramble. Prove that by throwing it up in a random orientation, catching it, and then I'm going to inspect, and then I'm going to start jumping on the trampoline and solving at the exact same time. 3, 2, 1, go. So I start the time as soon as I start the first backflip, and then I end the time as soon as I finish the last backflip of the solve. Well, anyways, this is my second solve. I'm going to do one more because I wasn't satisfied with the time at the end, so stay tuned for that. I did not know what time that was, but I got a PL skip. That was pretty lucky. So, let's go. So guys, I'm gonna solve this 3x3 on the trampoline while doing flips. So I'm gonna do a scramble. It's a hand scramble, but to prove it's not like a set scramble, I'm gonna throw it out. So I can't really like be cheating. Okay, so let's inspect and start. In 3, 2, 1, go. So this is the last solve of the video. Anyways, I found this Rubik's Cube and it matches the time about right of me doing my cube. But anyways, I got another PLL skip. This is a crazy fast solve. Stay till the end.